Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. My today's topic is tropisms or tropic moments. These are the plant moments. It is for class 10th biology. So, what are tropisms or tropic moments? A growth moment of a plant pot in response to an external stimulus in which the direction of stimulus determines the direction of response is called tropism. Thus, tropism is a directional movement of the pot of a plant caused by its growth. जो प्लांट मोमेंट्स है द प्लांट्स जो है वो फिक्स्ड होते हैं एक ही जगह पर, क्योंकि इनके जो रूट्स होते हैं वो ग्राउंड में फिक्स्ड होते हैं, सो दे कैन नॉट मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. बट प्लांट शो सम मोमेंट्स, दैट इज दे शो मोमेंट्स इन शूट्स, इन रूट्स एंड लीव्स when they are subject to some external stimuli like light, force of gravity, chemical substances, water and touch. So if the growth or movement of a plant pot is towards the stimulus, it is called positive tropism. यानी plant pot की जो movement है अगर towards the stimulus है उसको हम कहेंगे positive tropism. If the growth of a plant pot is away from the stimulus, then it is called negative tropism. Negative tropism तब है जब इसकी जो movement है या growth है, if it is away from the stimulus, then it is negative tropism. For example, we will give the example when a growing plant is exposed to light from only one side, then it responds by bending its stem or shoot towards the light. यानी अगर एक ग्रोइंग प्लांट ग्रोइंग प्लांट की जो अगर एक साइड में उस पर लाइट पड़ेगी तो ये रेस्पॉन्ड करेगा बाय बेंडिंग इट स्टेम, यानी इसका स्टेम जो बेंड हो जाएगा टुवर्ड्स द लाइट. सो दिस इज एग्जांपल ऑफ फोटोट्रॉपिज्म. नाउ द टाइप्स ऑफ tropisms. There are 5 common stimuli in the environment: light, gravity, chemical as water and touch. These 5 stimuli give us 5 types of tropisms: phototropism, geotropism, chemotropism, heterotropism, thermotropism. So in phototropism, stimulus is light. In geotropism, stimulus is gravity. In chemotropism, this stimulus is chemical. In heterotropism, stimulus is water. And in thermotropism, stimulus is touch. Now, what is this phototropism? The movement of plant pot in response to light is called phototropism. जब movement of plant होगा, plant pot होगा in response to light is called a phototropism. If the plant pot moves towards light, it is called positive phototropism. If the plant pot moves away from light, then it is called a negative phototropism. अगर हम stem देखेंगे, stem grows towards the light, that means it shows positive phototropism. On the other hand, the roots of plant, they move away from light, so the roots show negative phototropism. Then geotropism, the movement of a plant pot in response to gravity is called geotropism. If the plant pot moves in the direction of gravity, it is called a positive geotropism. If the plant pot moves against the direction of gravity, it is called a negative geotropism. As the force of gravity acts in the downward direction, the roots of a plant move downwards in the direction of gravity. क्योंकि रूट्स जो है वो ज़मीन में जाते हैं, सो दे शो पॉजिटिव जियोट्रॉपिज्म. इसके बाद अगर जो स्टेम है वो इट मूव्स अपवर्ड्स, सो इट शोज नेगेटिव जियोट्रॉपिज्म. दैट मीन्स इट मूव्स अपवर्ड्स अगेंस्ट द डायरेक्शन ऑफ ग्रेविटी. Then chemotropism is the movement of a plant pot in response to a chemical stimulus is called chemotropism. Then this heterotropism, it is the movement of a plant pot in response to water, that is called heterotropism. Then thermotropism, the directional growth movement of a plant pot in response to the touch of an object is called thermotropism. The climbing parts of the plant such as tendrils grow towards any support which they happen to touch and wind around their support.